Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What is up, y'all? So today's video is gonna be really cute. This one is I don't know what to call it. So today I'm giving you Valentine's Day. I don't want to say advice because it's not advice, just ideas and suggestions for your Valentine's Day date night, or if you're by yourself, just ways that you can spend the holiday, positively. You can come live with me. I'll be going live on Valentine's Day with a makeup look. So, if I ain't got nobody either, sis, it's okay. We in this together, y'all. We in this together. We gonna find somebody. Nah, I ain't tripping. But, yeah. So, I got the suggestion from someone on Snap. I can't remember who. But, yeah, Valentine's Day ideas, COVID style. Because, it's a different world that we're living in nowadays. So, you just gotta keep it... You just gotta keep it together, honestly. So I have never, well, let me rephrase this because I'm finna be a big ass fucking liar. So I don't want to say that I've never been into Valentine's Day, but I've never been into just Valentine's Day. You know what I mean? Like, if you love someone, I feel like you should show them appreciation all throughout the year, just not on Christmas or their birthday or Valentine's Day. Just a little just because thing. So for me personally, when Valentine's Day comes around and I'm with someone, I never expect, shit, my gloss fucking up. I never expect like something way over the top, because I expect that all year long. You know what I mean? That's just like a standard that I hold myself to and that I hold my partner to, because I do that for you. So I want you to do that for me. I love spoiling people. I love making you feel loved. I'm big on connection. So, whatever your love language is, I try to reciprocate that to you as much as possible. Me, I'm a real combination type of girl, but mainly I just need attention. Like, I need to know that you know that I'm here. Like, I like to, I'm not clingy, but I want to be with you. But until when I'm ready for my space, I'm ready for my space. But like, if you ain't doing shit, I want to be there. We ain't got to do shit together. But when it's time for you to go home, go home. Like, you ain't finna stay here, I'm not finna stay there. You know what I mean? Like, that's just different type. But like, if you finna go somewhere, I'm going. I don't give a fuck if you're going to Dollar General, I'm going. You're going to Walmart, I'm ready. Period. So, Valentine's Day date, COVID style, things that you can do with your boo. So, you're at home, you can just do small things that you know that they would appreciate. You know what I mean? Now, if you know your girl like to be way out and about, then you should have booked something way ahead of time, because this is not like last year, Well, no, last year we wasn't on lockdown. But, it's not like we're on, like, full lockdown anymore. I know there's still, like, a lot of restrictions and things like that. But you can still get, like, takeout and bring it back to the house. Y'all just chill and be on some cute shit. It doesn't necessarily have to be, like, a big extravagant thing. You know what I mean? Because social media has made us feel like, oh, if you ain't got a Birkin, if you don't drive a Benz, then, well, that's a bad reference. I drive a Benz. But you know what I mean? Like, if you don't, it just makes it look like, like if you ain't completely cashing out and blowing your whole life savings, then, you not showing your significant other that, you're worth something. And I just feel like that's so totally fucked up. Like, the mindset of money just is like, fuck things up for people. Like, you like what you like. You know what I mean? Like, it's okay to have nice things, but I don't think it's okay to, like, make someone else feel bad for not having those things. You know what I mean? Because just like how you have it now, it could be gone in a blink of an eye. So, I just feel like, I always try to, like, humble yourself and realize at the end of the day, when you die, none of this shit goes with you. So, I just try to, especially for, like, the younger kids, like, don't just, like, center yourself around materialistic things. You know what I mean? And I know that sounds shitty coming from me, a materialistic girl, but I also, like, no, I'm not sending myself broke doing what I'm doing. Like, you work to get to where you're at. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to say never, but I don't think I'll ever spend like $20,000 on a Birkin. Like, even when I get to that level, because, those are goals I have for myself, that I want to reach a certain standard, just keep growing and progressing myself. But I don't think, like, I might blow like 20 grand on a bag when I get, older and, like, I get more cash to my name. But, like, it won't be no fucking Birkin. Like, those things are ugly. That might just be me, you know. I just personally do not like them. Now, you know, if it had been like a Gucci or something, like, or a Louis, that's different. But I just don't see myself spending that on a Birkin. I'm sorry. Unless it's Cardi B's bandana print. Now, that shit fire. Like, that's the only one, though. Another thing that you can do for your babe, you can do massages. So you can get your favorite essential oils. Lavender is really good for calming, but I hate how lavender smells. But it's so calming, but it just reminds me of like nursing home. So, you know, you pick your favorite oil, you put it on the center of your wrist, a little aromatherapy action, and you get into it. Get you some oil, vanilla. I love anything that smells like vanilla or cocoa. You know, it's just sensual things. You know what I mean? Like, it's y'all, you know, the kids are gone. If you got kids, you know, if you don't got kids, you know, do it during the day while they're at school. Well, it's on a Sunday and they in virtual. Take a trip in your backseat of your car. Anywhere, any place that you can get away from them things for 5 minutes. Like, you know, make it about y'all. And for is like affordable gift options. You know, if that's the route that you're trying to go for or something that you're trying to think of, you can make them a candy bouquet. So, I mean, I would make this, but who the fuck I'm gonna give it to? Myself? No, I'm not finna do this. I lied, I am about to do this. So, you know, as like affordable gift options that you could do for your girl or for your guy, fellas, if you know your girl is into makeup, you can just get a cheap mason jar. You can get these at Dollar Tree, actually, I think. You can get her a pack of makeup brushes. Any set, you can go to like, you can go to Target, you can go to Walmart, you can go to Valentines, get like a brush set, a decent brush set. Probably cost you like $15, you know, just some nice brushes. You can pop them in the jar. I don't have any ribbon, but you could just tie some ribbon on here. Or you can take some Valentine's Day candy and I can't ever open anything. Okay, I'll have to cut this later. But, you know, just tape a piece of the candy onto each brush. And I think that'll be so cute, you know. Or for, like, guys, girl, you can get him some socks. And you can put the candy inside of the socks. I think that'll be, like, really cute. Or, you know, just whatever your dude is into, you know. Like, oh, if your girl ain't into makeup, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can do her, like, whatever she's into. You know, it doesn't have to be like real big. So, you know, that's just like gift ideas. That's date ideas. That's enough for y'all lovey-dovey people. Hell, talk to each other. That's what the fuck y'all there for. Talk to each other. Hell. So, back to my single people. So, what I will be doing Valentine's Day is, of course, I have to film for YouTube because I film on the weekends like crazy. But this Valentine's Day, I am going to be giving back to my community. So, I am sending off cards to my local nursing homes. I'm sending out, I think, 20 cards to like 2 or 3 nursing homes. I have a bunch of them just sitting here. I ordered them off Amazon. And then I also did some of the St. Jude Make-A-Wish send a card thing. So I'll attach links down below as to how you can, you know, make virtual cards in the St. Jude's, or, you know, you can send cards to your local nursing homes, stuff like that, because, you know, I'm alone, so I don't want nobody else to feel alone, you know what I mean? Especially in nursing homes when they can't, like, see their families and everything. So I think that would be a really cool idea to, you know, like, get your mind off of yourself being alone and think about, like, the good things that you have. Like, you know, you have me. You're blessed. You're alive. That's a lot. That's a lot. So, you know, that's enough love right there. So other ways that you can spend your Valentine's Day is get in touch with your creative side. So, you know, like, sit down, whether you like to draw, even if you can't draw. I can't draw, but I like to doodle, you know, I like to color, I like things of that nature. And, you know, once you, like, just take a time and breathe and meditate for yourself and get in touch with, you know, with that side of yourself, I feel like, you know, you'll have a different awakening to things, you know. I feel like that's just one of the benefits that I get from, like, my YouTube channel. And one of the reasons that I have been more active is because, you know, it just takes my mind away from everything else going on. You know, it helps me realize, like, what's going right versus just focusing on what's going wrong. You know what I mean? So not that you shouldn't focus on what's wrong, you know, because you wanna work towards your goals, you know, you wanna fix whatever's making you unhappy. But at the end of the day, you know, you can't always just drown yourself in your sorrows, because that won't get you nowhere. And, you know, just because you're by yourself does not mean you cannot treat yourself, and does not mean you can't have a date night for yourself. I do that shit for me all the time. Even if you are in a relationship, you know, you don't have to spend this day with your significant other. If you be with them 24/7, that might be a great gift, actually. Because you get tired of each other. You know what I mean? You want to keep that spark there. So, you know, if you just have, like, something just rubbing against each other, right? It's just rubbing. Eventually, it's going to lose, like, some of the friction, you know? So, you want to keep things hot all the time. So, you know, like a little indoor picnic, you know, because I think it's supposed to rain if you're, well, it's raining where I'm at for Valentine's Day. But you can do like a nice indoor picnic. You can do a picnic in the bed. You can do like a breakfast thing. I'm really into breakfast and brunch. Well, not so much brunch. That's so basic. I'm really just into breakfast, like pancakes and bacon. Oh, and French toast. I love French toast. So, you know, you can do things like that at home. You can cook for each other. Or you can cook for each other naked. But yeah, guys, I really didn't know what to do for this video, but I wanted to do it because y'all asked me for it. But that's just like some things that I would do if you're in a pandemic. You know what I'm saying? Your pockets might not be right, even if your pockets are right. Like sometimes, you know, this bitch birthday was 2 weeks ago. And I just feel like the main message I'm trying to get across is, like, just because it's Valentine's Day does not mean that, okay, I'm your Valentine today, bitch, I'm your Valentine next week too. Don't forget that shit. Period. That's just like my whole spiel and emphasis on the Valentine's Day thing. And I feel like, you know, when I say, I've said it before to a dude, and then he took it for a joke, and then my ass was fucking hurt. So, do not tell him that you do not give a fuck about Valentine's Day, because you do. And you know you do. Even though I don't. I wanted some more effort. You got me the wrong color bear, but you know, whatever. I just wanted more effort. You just got to know what you need for yourself. Like, if you know you need a lot of attention and lovey-dovey and kiss, be honest. Be honest. Tell them, like, you know? Or, like, if you just want to get piped the fuck down for Valentine's Day, you know, you want to do some stuff that y'all ain't never done before, highly recommend. 10 out of 10. You'll have a lot of fun. But know each other's limits. You know, don't force somebody to do anything if they're scared, you know. Well, not scared, but they're just not into it, you know. Because you want it to be fun for both of you guys. But yeah, y'all, that's just some really cute, simple ideas, affordable ideas, and, you know, things that you can do to help take your mind off the day. And like I said, it's just one day. Life goes on. It's only one day. You know what I mean? Like, you still got bills to pay. So, you know, just keep that in mind. Like, live within your means. Don't let social media, like, you know, put you in a rut. You know what I mean? Like, if you know you're gonna be in a rut seeing everybody else in their little bullshit ass relationship posting whatever they want to post, don't log on Valentine's Day or the day after, because you know that's all that's gonna be full of. So, you know, don't trigger yourself by seeing things like of that. You know what I mean? But don't let that fool you either, because, you know, on Valentine's Day, of course, everybody gonna be posting their flowers, they little bullshit ass chocolate, even though I think flowers are a waste. Let me just do my spill on that. I just real flowers, to me, then you gotta clean that shit up. They be messy. Give me some artificial flowers. You know what I'm saying? Like, something I can just, like, have on display or something like that. You know what I mean? Like, that's my type of flower. But I'm just saying. Anyway. Damn, what was I saying? But yeah, don't let social media fool you, because of course they're gonna post the good, oh, my baby daddy got me this. Girl, okay, tomorrow y'all beating each other ass. Make it make sense. And don't feel like you need to force yourself to post a whole bunch of shit on Valentine's Day just because you in a relationship. If y'all beefing right now, y'all beefing. Even though that is a really cute way to come back together. Y'all came back on Valentine's Day. So cute. I'm just saying. But you know what I mean? Like, don't try to put on a show for nobody. Don't try to watch nobody else's show. You know what I mean? Like, you never know what's real and what's fake these days. So it's just like, take it all with a grain of salt. You know, you just look at some shit and just laugh. Or be like, oh, girl, that's cute. Keep it moving. Don't go into detail. Don't, you know what I mean? Like, you ain't got to take it there every time. So, guys, that pretty much is it for this year's Valentine's Day. How to get through the day spiel. I did one last year. I don't know what I talked about, but I'll attach that below. I feel like, you know, it may link on to this and it may resonate or something like that. But I will link that in the things up here if you haven't seen it floating by. You know what I'm saying? I will do that. I love y'all. Just remember, someone loves you, God loves you, and I love you. So that's two people on your side right there. And I want you to love yourself and take some time to appreciate you and appreciate all the good things that's going on with your life right now, even though Valentine's Day sometimes sucks. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Do that. Fuck Valentine's Day.